All right, let's talk about sales playbooks, Batman style. Nowadays, most companies proudly say, we have a playbook. But let's be honest, it's outdated, nobody reads it, and it doesn't match what actually works today. It's like Batman using strategies from old Gotham crimes for new threats. Different villains, different rules, same old playbook, total mismatch. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, your playbook updates itself. Moksy helps to build stunning landing pages, dashboards for free, and no coding skills needed. AI studies top-performing reps, winning deals, successful emails, strong objections handling, and automatically refreshes the playbook. What works gets promoted. What fails gets removed. So ask yourself, is your playbook reality-based or just a document?